Moving heavy furniture can be one of the toughest parts of a move, but the right strategy can keep you safe and protect your belongings. Start by planning ahead. Measure doorways, hallways, and staircases to make sure large pieces will fit. Remove obstacles and clear a path before lifting anything. Disassemble furniture when possible. Taking apart bed frames, tables, and shelves makes them easier to carry and reduces the risk of damage. Keep screws and hardware in labeled bags. Use the right tools. Furniture sliders, moving straps, and dollies help reduce strain and make heavy items easier to move. Lifting with your legs instead of your back is also important. Protect furniture and your home. Use moving blankets, plastic wrap, and padding to prevent scratches and dents. Secure doors and drawers so they do not swing open. Do not rush. Take breaks and communicate clearly with anyone helping you move. If an item feels too heavy or awkward, consider hiring professional movers. Moving heavy furniture safely is about preparation, teamwork, and using the right equipment. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit Movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-3431-243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.